Where will the price of cable go next? Currently, price is finding support at the one spot 26.50. We've got weakening data out of the US, and we've got the chance of Governor Bailey talking up the pound once again with more interest rate hikes as inflation remains sticky above 8.7%. Could that see pound US dollar break through this trend line, head to the one spot 3 handle? Well, one way we can try and figure that out is by going down to our 4-hour time frame. We can see that price created a consolidation below one spot 26.50. It's broken through, and we've got another consolidation. If price trades through here, trades through that trend line resistance, buyers may want to see the opportunity to jump on and move up to that one spot 3 handle for cable. What we would like to see is a change in direction here. If 20 can cross above the 50 moving average, it could see price move higher.